For centuries, human labor has been the backbone of society, driving economies, shaping communities, and defining our sense of purpose. But today, something is changing. As machines, robots, and artificial intelligence become more sophisticated, human work is slowly being replaced. What does this mean for our future? Will the rise of machines destroy human labor, or will it transform the way we work forever? Throughout history, technology has always shaped the way we work. The Industrial Revolution brought machines into the workplace, dramatically changing how products were made. But machines were always designed to assist humans, making labor easier, faster, and more efficient. That was the idea. But somewhere along the way, machines began to replace human labor entirely. In the 20th century, we saw the rise of automation, robots, and computers. Assembly lines that once relied on human hands now depended on machines that could work 24/7 without rest. And it didn't stop there. With the advent of AI, even jobs that required cognitive skills, from analyzing data to customer service, started to be replaced by machines. Machines were once seen as a tool for improving human work, but as they evolved, they became capable of doing tasks that humans once thought impossible for machines, tasks requiring precision, complex calculations, and even decision-making. This shift has accelerated in recent years, with AI and robotics being integrated into industries across the globe. Today, machines are not just assisting us, they're replacing us. Entire industries from manufacturing to customer service are being reshaped by technology. But as we witness the rise of machines, what happens to human labor? Who are the people losing their jobs, and what's left for them? In factories, robots are increasingly replacing manual labor. In offices, AI is analyzing data, creating reports, and even making decisions. What happens to the workers who once did these jobs? Are they being left behind in the dust of progress? I worked at a car factory for over 15 years. When the robots first started coming in, I thought they were just going to help us out, But then, slowly, they took over more and more. Now I've been laid off. I don't know where to go from here. The stories of workers displaced by machines are becoming all too common. In the US alone, millions of jobs have been lost due to automation. In manufacturing, for example, robots can work faster, more accurately, and without the need for breaks. But at what cost? For many, retraining to meet the demands of new industries has proven to be a challenge. Many workers simply do not have the skills to transition to jobs in tech or AI development. And even if they do retrain, the new jobs are often more demanding and less secure than the ones they lost. The rapid pace of automation is creating a growing divide between those who can adapt and those who cannot. While some industries are thriving, many workers are being left without the skills or opportunities to make a living wage. This isn't just a job crisis, it's a crisis of inequality. As society grapples with these changes, questions linger. How do we support those displaced by machines? What role does education play in equipping future generations for an automated world? The answers may define not just our economy but our very way of life. To navigate this new landscape, we must invest in education and retraining programs that align with the demands of the future job market. By embracing technology as a partner rather than a rival, we can reimagine the nature of work in a world where humans and machines coexist. The potential for innovation is boundless as new technologies open doors to fields we have yet to explore. While automation may displace certain jobs, it also creates opportunities for creativity, entrepreneurship, and human connection. The key lies in harnessing these advancements to benefit all members of society. As we adapt to this evolving landscape, stories of resilience emerge. Communities are coming together to create pathways for those impacted by automation, embracing innovation to pave the way for new opportunities. The future of work may be uncertain, but with collaboration and creativity, we can build a society where humans thrive alongside machines. Governments and organizations are recognizing the importance of addressing this shift. Policies aimed at supporting displaced workers and fostering lifelong learning are essential for creating a more equitable labor market. Collaborative efforts between industries and educational institutions will be critical in shaping a future workforce equipped to thrive in an automated world. In forums across the globe, innovators are sharing visions of a future where technology complements human effort, enhancing productivity while preserving jobs. By focusing on education, community support, and adaptive policies, we can harness the power of automation to uplift society, creating a balanced relationship between humans and machines.